We are excited to share highlights from our free Microsoft PowerPoint training. A successful and empowering event organized by 24Asia in partnership with MOM Oscar and Temasek Foundation, and proudly supported by Red Bull and SG Tech Tertiary. This training was conducted by Nazmul Khan, founder of 24Asia, attended by 116 students physically and virtually. Attendees learned how to create and manage PowerPoint slides, formatting text and tables, adding images, videos and media, using transitions and animations effectively, and presenting slideshows like a pro. We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the entire team, our 24Asia and local facilitators, and the dedicated leaders and volunteers who supported and guided students throughout the training. Your commitment, time and effort played a vital role in making this training a success. We deeply appreciate your contributions and partnership in empowering the migrants. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to Red Bull Singapore for their generous sponsorship of drinks during our training. Your contribution played a key role in enhancing the experience for all participants. Thank you for believing in our mission and for helping to create a vibrant and energizing atmosphere to everyone involved. A special thank you to our guest speakers Mr. Ritesh and Omshewale for their inspiring words and encourage all students to keep learning, dreaming big, and never stop moving forward. Stay tuned for more training sessions and digital skills workshops.